Welcome this video title enhance your home with a stream bungalow patio attach your home with a roof. Introducing a bungalow patio attached to your home with a roof is more than just an outdoor space. It's a lifestyle upgrade that bring to touch of enhance and fun- functionally to your home. Whether your looks to create a choosy rustic expand your l- living space or enhance the overall aesthetic of your home. A bungalow patio with a roof can be a project at we will explore the much benefit and design probability of a bungalow patio attached to your home with a roof help your make and inform decision about this exciting home improvement project. The perfect blend of from the fun- functional Apollo patio attached to your home is a unique outdoor sanctuary then often the project perfect blend of from and functional. It's not only add beautiful add style to your home but also extend your living space and provide shade from the element with the add of a roof. Your bungalow patio become an all-season oasis, allowing you to enjoy the outdoor yard roof. Benefit of a bungalow patio attached of your house with a roof. Your rules comfort. One of the prominent advantages of here are roof over your bungalow patio is the air rule comfort is provided not long with your be limited to enjoy your outdoor space only on sunny day. The roof provides protect from rain, snow, and excessive sun, allowing you to use your patio regularize of your weather. Increase living space. Your bungalow patio essentially become an explode of your indoor living space. This means you have more room and entertain, relax, and vertical active. Its versatile space then can be used and drink logged or even is an us an outdoor kitchen. Enhance aesthetic. A well designed bungalow patio can enhance the overall aesthetic of your house. It's add a touch of sophistication and create a seamless traditional from your indoor to outdoor space. The ads of a roof can elevate the words appear, make it an attached functional of your popular home value. A thoughtful design and well cost bungalow patio with a roof can income the value increase the value of your house. It's an attached function of broad buying and it can set your popular attached from other in the real retouched made design other of your parlor patio with roof. Now then you are undrawing the between its expel some design other to help you create the project parlor patio attached to your house with a roof. Material. Then design your parlor patio. Consider the material then best complement your home attached and your personal style.